For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12-volt installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connector, wire harness for aftermarket stereo installation with color-coded wires. Industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. 2007 Up Nissan. Plugs directly into vehicle harness. Power, 4-speaker. Top reviews from the United States. Made specifically for this car, works perfectly. I went to Best Buy to buy the wire harness for my aftermarket radio. One they gave me did not work, so after looking up videos on YouTube I figured out that this was the one I needed to buy, so when I bought it and it worked perfectly the first time, the ground wire works perfectly where it's supposed to go, because that was my main issue. I recommend this to anyone.